Hey there, welcome to Explore. On this video you'll be exposed to self-opening dustbin. It's simply Arduino based program that anyone can do. It's actually attractive on the desktop, especially when it's blinking the RGB LED. These are the apparatus I used: a bucket, Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, RGB LED, and some wires. Unfortunately, this is not a how-to step-to-step video, but if you want it, you can simply comment. I'll do it for you. Now I'm connecting the components on the Arduino board and the breadboard. I'll just fast forward this part because it's actually long and not clear, but you can get the diagram and the source code on the description below. As I'm doing this, keep in mind that I'm a beginner that is too curious about everything. I just learned how to program Arduino in few months. Hopefully if you practice regularly, you'll excel in mix, but it's easy when you have books or PDFs and most components to play with. I hope you enjoy this video. Please support and subscribe if you are. Testing is very important after uploading the code so that you can do needed adjustments before sealing everything up and avoid unwrapping the final product, as well checking wiring thoroughly so that you don't burn your Arduino board or any of your components. The bending part is actually going to be the lid of the dustbin. It will automatically open as soon as ultrasonic sensor waves are reflected back. The servo is the one controlling the lid, and it moves 90 degrees to open the dustbin and 0 degrees to close the dustbin. It's very useful and moves very quick, and the time can be reduced to close, but it's best if it closes after a longer time. It does not close when you're still in front of the ultrasonic sensor. This is the final product. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Please come back for more and more.